how to use threads. Hello everybody, what is up? In today's video, we are going to guide you how we can use threads. So let's get started. First of all, you can go ahead and download the application called Threads and simply open it up and use an Instagram account in order to create up an account. So once you're in this interface, you can directly connect your Instagram account. It will give you an option. You can go ahead and select up your account and it will get ready for Threads. So once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface in the screen. So what you can do is you can basically use this application in order to retweet the threads and everything. So in the home interface, you can find for you and following options. Similarly, at the very top, you should be finding what's new. So you can use that option in order to create a post for yourself on your account. So you can just, it is quite similar to Twitter as well. So you can look out for similar features here. For example, if you want to post, you can just go ahead and do that, and you can even add tweets like up to 2 to 3 like this. So you can just go ahead and do that, and you can even add pictures. We have this pictures icon and a GIF icon. Similarly, you can use popular hashtags that has been going around and use polls and even share your location. So let's head over and add a picture. For example, I have used this picture right here. So once everything is edited out and once you're ready with your caption and everything, you can tap on this post in the bottom right corner. Before that, you can even choose of your audience. Like we have this anyone can reply and quote, tap on it, and you can select the option like whom you want to share. For example, profiles you follow or mentioned only. Let's head over to anyone and tap on post like this and wait for it to be posted. So another thing is we have this following option. You can look out for this following here. It will show you all of the posts, all of the threads posted by your following list. So if you want to follow someone, first of all, you can directly look out for your For You page and you should be finding a plus icon right beside the profile. You can tap on it to follow someone like this and tap on follow, confirm it, or you can even use the search bar in the second tab at the bottom and search for the user that you would like to follow and tap on follow from the screen. And then once that is done, you can find a plus icon in the button below. Again, you can look out for the plus icon in your screen in order to create a new post as we did earlier. Apart from that, we have a heart icon. So you can tap on it, and heart is an activity status with all of your notifications. So here it will show you your follows, your conversations as well that you've had using Thread. After that, your repost on Thread, your verified account, verified things, and that's it. So we have this notification right here. For example, someone has followed me, you can look out for that notifications. If someone has liked, replied, commented, reposted your thread and everything. And at the very last, we have this profile option. You can look out for it, tap on it, and there it will show you your profile. So when you scroll down, it will show you all of the history of your threads that you've done. And similarly, we have replies, media, repost option as well. So in order to edit out your profile, you can look out for this edit profile option on your screen, tap on it, and you can go ahead and edit out your profile. If you want to make a private profile, you can just go ahead and turn this option and tap on the done at the top. Similarly, we can even change our profile picture and use different features available. At the very top, we have this insights icon as well. You can tap on it to look out for your insights in your Threads application. So that's it. That is basically how it sums up. This is basically quite similar to Twitter as well. So you can use this application in this way and share your experiences, your posts and everything using the Threads application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.